Good morning, everyone. I wanted to take you through a sample first day lesson. I know that your first lesson is science, and so I wanted to show you this is Unit 1, Lesson 1, Science, when I clicked on the lesson. And then I need to click that next arrow to go to the next screen. Remember I told you this is how you open Embark. You have to click on the Embark link. And down here it tells you that this is the guidebook, I am special. And also we have the I'm special star, and then the leaf, remember, over here's the clue, the leaf that says that we're going to science. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Embark link to open up the school. And they're going to ask me to do that again sometimes. And then it just loads. So you'll see this little caterpillar and he's loading. So again, I wanted you to remember we're in the very first unit. I am special, unit 1. So I'll click there. And that takes us to, we want the leaf. Remember, you can show titles. So you can find, oh, that's the science if you forget. Show titles right up there. I'm going to go to the show titles, click on the science. It's going to load with this fun little guy who's painting. And now we are in Unit 1, Lesson 1. Look and compare. That this is what we're doing today. We're describing people. That's an offline activity because it doesn't have a little circle, green circle with arrow. I'm going to say you do that part offline. And then we're going to do see me. Let's do see me together. So I click on that. That's going to be online. And it'll start to talk to you. They want us to find the body parts. So we want to move our head, and we want Jill to move her head, and we practice just our body parts. So they want us to move our shoulders. Jack can move his shoulders up and down. Can you move your shoulders? So you'll just go through the lesson. I'm going to close out of it. And then you'll have another lesson down here online. Show me, and they'll want you to show me where your eyes are, show me where your head is. So when you finish those 2 activities online, you'll be done with the lesson. But again, remember you want to click back to your OLS screen, which was this one. Remember we opened a new tab, and then so I just click back to the other tab. I click the next arrow again, and this is that assessment. And I kind of talked to you about assessments and taking them. Here I wanted to show you what the assessment is for the look and compare lesson. I'll click the arrow to load the assessment. It says, can the student describe physical traits observed in self and others, such as hair color and eye color? Does your child do that? Do they demonstrate proficiency? They get them all correct? Yes, they can tell you, my friend has blue eyes. I have brown eyes. I have brown hair. My friend has blonde hair. Are they just showing some progress? Do they get some right, some wrong? Are they just beginning, not kind of understanding? Just, it's a little slide scale, or they couldn't answer anything. So D. I'm going to say that's A. They were proficient, all correct. I go to my next question. Given pictures, can the student match a visual image with a verbal description of the physical characteristics? So can you point to a little girl that has brown hair? And, can you move your shoulders? Where are your shoulders? Point to your eyebrows. Do they get all of them correct? Mostly correct? Just a few correct? I'm going to say they get them all correct again. And then the last one, is the student able to participate in a game that refers to body parts? Simon says, point to your knees. Simon says, point to your hips. Simon says, so that would be the kind of game. Or there's the fun, we always sing, head, shoulders, knees, and toes, and they have to point to their heads and shoulders, knees, and toes. So let's say they play that game really well. And that's it. You're done with your assessment. You can review the assessment, but we're done with it. You can click continue with lesson, and basically it just says the lesson is now complete. Go to attendance. And that's our little Remember, I want to log in some attendance minutes. So I go here and science, it took them, let's say 45 minutes. Oops, 45 minutes to do the whole lesson. So I want to save that in my attendance minutes, and then I close it. And I'm done with that lesson, the first science lesson. So that'll give you a little overview on how to do science lesson, unit 1, lesson 1 today. All right, if you have any questions, always call me or email, text me. I'm available to you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.